All right, guys, what's going on? I'm back with the Volkswagen. I am almost done. I am just so close. Today, what I'm gonna do is I am buffing, polishing the rest of the car up. There's some spots I haven't done and some spots I wanna do again. So I'm gonna do all that. That way I can put the trim on, and then I think I'll be done for the exterior and most of the stuff. So let me show you right now what I'm doing. So you guys have obviously seen this plenty of times. It's looked like this for, I don't know, quite a while now. But the trim that goes down the doors and the trim on the trunk and the hood, the emblems and stuff isn't on. So why I left that off, I wanted to do one more buff job, one more polish on this car before I put all the trim down, because obviously the trim gets in the way of buffing. So I have a little bit more to do. I'm gonna do the roof again. This roof has been buffed once and then it sat around covered in dust, pollen, everything else. So the roof's a major point that I'm gonna have to do again. You can see swirl marks right here, you know, a bunch of other stuff. The front end and the doors are pretty good. I'm gonna do the hood again though. But I'm just trying to wrap this all up because everything else is all done and this thing is gonna get aligned and inspected this week. So when we go to drive it on the road, I want it to be, you know, complete. So that's why I'm pushing to do this so I can get the trim on. So nothing really crazy, just more buffing. I'm not gonna record everything that I do just because obviously buffing is kind of boring and it's gonna be boring for me, but I'm gonna just go ahead, buzz down with the polish, and do everything that I haven't done and just hit everything one more time, wipe it all off, and then put the trim on and we're gonna be good to go. There's obviously gonna be other things to do, other little things, you know, put the license plates on when we get those and all that stuff. But after today, everything should be pretty much complete. Everything on, looking good, looks like a complete car. So I will update you guys on what happens next and we will go from there. So any questions, comments, let me know. Once again, it is so hard to see in this garage how, you know, shiny and nice this looks. I don't know if you guys can get the reflection